Good morning. Today, we are going to explore the drawing functionalities, the usage of the base tools, the usage of the reconstruction and repeat profile tool within TpaCAD. Let's draw a circle. Apply the technology. Then, set the final depth of the circle at -50 mm. Create a copy of the first path with translation. Then, activate the closure of the path with the covering element of the last segment, that in this case is also the only one without variation in depth. Now, activate the view of the vertical overall dimensions of the tool in the piece, and calculate the difference between the two paths. Set a length of 100 mm as a coverage. As you can see, the view highlights that now the coverage is partial. So, cancel the modification by restoring the total coverage of the circle. Now, create a second copy of the first path with translation. On the third profile, reduce to -10 mm the final depth of the circle. And apply the repetition of profile construction tool, setting a final depth of -50 mm. Let's now check the result, a continuous spiral until the depth set. Cancel the application of the tool. And recall the repetition of profile construction tool, by requiring now the closure of the constant speed repetition. Finally, check the result. As you can see, we have a continuing spiral until the depth set, closing a circle that was carried out at -50 mm. In the hope of being useful with this tutorial, I invite you to visit our YouTube channel and to subscribe to our Facebook page.